To contact NotebookLM Technical Customer Support, start by opening the NotebookLM Help Center. Google provides a collection of support articles that cover common topics such as notebooks, sources, notes, audio overviews, settings, and troubleshooting. In many cases, you may find a solution without needing to contact support directly. If you still need assistance, open NotebookLM and look for the Settings menu. Inside the Settings area, select Send Feedback. This option allows you to report bugs, technical issues, incorrect behavior, or other problems you encounter while using the platform. When submitting feedback, provide as much information as possible. Describe what happened, what you expected to happen, and any error messages you received. You can also attach a screenshot to help Google's team better understand the issue. After entering your details, click Send. Your report will be submitted to Google for review. This is one of the primary ways users can report technical problems directly from within NotebookLM. If you need additional assistance, Google also provides a dedicated support email for NotebookLM users. You can send your questions or support requests to notebooklm-user-support@google.com. This email can be used for technical questions, account concerns, or issues not addressed in the Help Center. For users accessing NotebookLM through a work or school account, support may be managed through Google Workspace. In that case, contact your administrator first, as they can submit support requests through Google's enterprise support channels. And that's how you contact NotebookLM Technical Customer Support. Check the Help Center, use the Send Feedback option for technical issues, or email notebooklm-user-support@google.com when you need direct assistance.